Hello everyone. I hope everyone's doing great this weekend. So you just have another day or two to get your final projects finished up, but I wanted to make sure that everyone was comfortable creating a multi-page document, which is what you're going to need to do for the final project. So I had one or two people who had questioned about how to do that. So I'm just going to give you a quick demo on how to do it. Okay, so what we have here is just a flyer that I'm working on for my church. I got a senior lunch thing coming up. So I'm just going to use it as a quick example. Okay, now normally when you guys set up a new document, you go into File and you go into New, and then you type in your size. You ensure that this says inches. You can pick your orientation, vertical or horizontal. You really don't have to change much of anything else. You can choose to, but you don't have to. But the area that you guys probably haven't looked at much is the number of artboards. Now normally you guys are only creating one artboard with the size that you're stating here. But if you wanted, you could also create multiple artboards of the same size. And you can even change how they're laid out on the page and the amount of space that goes between each one. So if I were to create a new document with 4 artboards in 8.5 by 11, okay, each artboard will be 8.5 by 11. You can click on OK, and what I have now is 4 artboards. Okay, this is one way to create a multi-page document. Now, once you have your overview, for instance, on here, your type selection, your color selection, all the different pages of your final project, you would save it. You can cut and paste to these, but then you would save it. And normally you do File Save, and you would save it as an AI file. But then you also do a File Save As, and you save it as a PDF file. Okay. Now that is one way that you can do a multi-page document. Now another page that you can, or another way that you can do a multi-page document is to go to Windows and make sure your artboard palette or window is open. Okay, mine is already open. I have my layers, but then I also have my artboards palette. And you can also come here and simply add a new artboard, and it will use the same dimensions as you're currently using for the new artboard. And you can create as many as you want. Okay, so again, I'm going to create 4. And if you zoom out a little bit, you can see that you now have your 4 artboards. So this is another way that you can do it. And you can see over in your Navigator window, you can see everything over here as well. And I zoom in and out using my Navigator window. It's just been an easy method for me for years now. Alright, so those are 2 different ways that you can create a multi-page document within Illustrator. Okay, and again, just make sure that you are saving these multi-page documents as PDF files so that I can access them once you guys upload it to the Blackboard window. Alright, if you have questions, please let me know. Take care. Bye-bye.